Have you ever looked at all these AI tools and thought, I've missed my chance? Because I did. I'm going to show you exactly how I make videos that promote affiliate products using AI, even if you've never uploaded a YouTube video before. No camera, no editing, no expensive equipment, and you definitely don't have to be a tech expert. The crazy part? This whole video was created using the same simple process I'm about to show you. It takes me less than 20 minutes now. And if someone like me can learn this, I honestly believe you can too. Hey, I'm Roll, and to be honest, for a long time I kept telling myself I was too late. I'd watch younger people talking about AI and online businesses, and I'd think, well, good for them, but that's probably not for someone my age. Maybe you've had that thought too. The thing that surprised me wasn't that AI replaced people, it was the opposite. It removed the parts I was scared of. The writing, the editing, recording myself. I'm still learning. I'm nowhere near having everything figured out. But instead of sitting on the sidelines wondering what if, I've decided to learn this one step at a time, and I'd love for you to learn alongside me. All right, here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to keep this as simple as I possibly can. We're going through the whole process in just 4 steps. First, how I choose something to promote. Second, how AI helps me write the script. Third, how I turn that script into a real video without editing it myself. And finally, how I publish it with my affiliate link. No confusing tech talk, no overwhelm, just one step after another. Oh, and before we finish, I'll also tell you about the free masterclass that helped me connect all the dots. Ready? Let's jump into step 1.
Before we make a video, we need something worth talking about. That's where the affiliate product comes in. When I first started, I thought the smartest thing to do was promote the products paying the biggest commission. Turns out, that isn't the smartest strategy at all. Now I ask myself one simple question. Would I recommend this to someone I care about? Because if the answer is no, why would I recommend it to someone watching my videos? So every product has to pass 3 tests. Number 1, does it solve a real problem? Number 2, is it fairly priced? And number 3, would I genuinely feel good recommending it? If the answer isn't yes across the board, I move on. Now you might be wondering, where do you even find these products? Good question. I usually look on Digistore24, ClickBank, or Amazon Associates. They're all great places to start. One more thing, don't feel like you have to jump into a trendy niche. Think about what you've learned over the years. Maybe it's gardening, cooking, woodworking, budgeting, health, photography. That's not just knowledge, that's experience. And experience builds trust. You already know more than someone who's just getting started. That's your advantage. Once I've chosen the product, I copy my affiliate link, save it in my notes, and leave it there until the video's finished. Simple. Now let's move on to the part that honestly scared me the most, writing. A couple of years ago, if you told me writing would become the easiest part, I would have laughed. I'd open my computer, have a good idea, and then nothing. That's where AI completely changed things for me. I opened ChatGPT and typed something simple like, write a 60-second affiliate marketing video about this product. Start with a strong hook, explain the top 3 benefits, and finish by inviting people to click the link in the description. Keep it warm and conversational. That's it. Within seconds, I've got a first draft. But here's the important part. I never copy and paste it. I read it out loud. If it doesn't sound like me, I ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Maybe, can you make this sound more natural? Or, write this like you're explaining it to a friend over coffee. AI isn't replacing you. It's helping you get started. You're still making the decisions. You're still adding your personality. You're still deciding what feels right. That took away so much of my fear, because I realized I didn't need to be an amazing writer. I just needed help getting past the blank page. And once the script is finished, now comes my favorite part. Because this is where everything suddenly starts feeling real. Up until now, we've just been working with words. Now, those words become a video. Honestly, this was the moment I stopped thinking, maybe I'm too old to learn this, and started thinking, maybe I really can do this. The tool I use is Pictory. I copy the script, paste it into Pictory, and let it do the heavy lifting. Pictory breaks the script into scenes, finds matching video clips, adds captions automatically, and even lets me create a voiceover. Within a few minutes, I've got something that looks like a real YouTube video. The first time I watched one of my own videos, I couldn't stop smiling. Not because it was perfect, but because I'd actually made it, without a camera, without editing software. If I don't like a video clip, I swap it. If I want different text, I edit it. If I want different music, I change it. It's simple. I don't need to become a professional video editor. I just make small changes until it feels like my video. That's exactly what I was looking for. Now there's just one last step. Remember that affiliate link we saved earlier? This is where we use it. I add it to the description, pin it in the comments, and if it makes sense, I'll mention it somewhere in the video too. Then I hit publish. I used to think, maybe it's not good enough yet. Maybe you felt that too. Now I remind myself, done is usually better than perfect, especially when you're learning. Every video is another step forward. Choose a product, write the script, create the video, add your affiliate link, then do it again. Now let me show you something. Everything you've seen in this video is the exact process I used to create this video. And I want to be honest with you. I'm still at the beginning of this journey. I haven't made millions. I'm not pretending I've figured everything out. I'm simply learning, creating, and showing up. One video at a time. And honestly, that already feels like progress. If you're wondering whether you can do this too, don't worry about the next 100 steps. Just take the next one.
So, if there's one thing I hope you remember, it's this. You're not too late. Not because AI is magic, but because these tools have made creating online so much easier than it used to be. When I was learning all of this, I found a free masterclass that really helped everything click. I've linked it in the description if you'd like to watch it. It's free and it's the same training that helped me get started. If this video gave you a little more confidence, or made AI feel a little less intimidating, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. This channel isn't about pretending I've already made it. It's about learning together, sharing the wins, the mistakes, and the lessons along the way. Because if you're anything like me, you're not done yet, and neither am I. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.